Oh my gosh. Why is it so hot? The Team Plumber or slash Team Mario? Yep, that's who I am. I believe you don't want to fight with me. I'm gonna eat your nose.
Hey, don't mess with my bro.
You were talking to the slapstick this time. How can I carry this little thing? Hold on a second. There we go. Using my slapstick. Now for Yoshi. Yoshi. Next. Winterland. Let's take my slapstick with me. Here we go.